selling on Walmart, this tool shows you the keywords your competitors are hiding. And first, what we're going to do is just say we're selling a plush. Maybe it's a Pokemon plush. So we can just type in Pokemon plush and we can see with this tool how much money they're making, because we want to make sure we're mimicking and figuring out what keywords the top competitors on Walmart are selling for. How much money are they making? So let's go. So this one's making $33,000 a month on Walmart in revenue, and it's a Charizard plush. So they probably have keywords regarding Pokemon, but other keywords that people are typing in, like anime plush or things that we can put into our listing if we are selling a plush. What we're going to do is we're going to copy their item ID right here. You can see it at the top. It's right here. And then what you're going to do is go to helium10.com. There's a link right in the description to sign up with a free trial. Once you're here, you're going to go to Tools, Cerebro. And then we're going to go scroll all the way down and we're going to click walmart.com. We're going to put in that item ID that I copied and click Get Keywords. Now we're going to figure out the exact keywords that they're using in their Walmart listing, which is getting them ranked really, really high. So you can see the search trend score here. Now I'm going to filter this. We want it, the 100, it means it's perfect. Okay, Pokemon toys. That one has a score of 100 on Walmart, which means like it's a perfect score. You can also see different trend scores. Plushies. So making sure we have this in our title. If we can't use the word Pokemon, we can at least use the word plushies. Pokemon toys, if we can't use the word Pokemon again, we can use it in our Walmart ads. Pokemon plush, animal toys. Look, this is number 3. This is a great keyword that we could take from them if we are selling these. So we can put these. And then Pokemon toys, Pokemon plush, we could run ads for that if ours is Pokemon or looks like a Pokemon. This looks like it's plushie spelled wrong. And this has actually a pretty high rank. So this could be good for the back end, or maybe if you want to try to fit it in your Walmart description. Charizard, plushie, stuffed toys. So again, we can see exactly stuffed animals for girls. Very surprising that that's going to be one of their top ranking keywords right here, is stuffed animal for girls, not for boys. So just keep that in mind. This is a great way to see exactly what the people are typing in to find this item on Walmart and purchase. Walmart's even giving you the score, and you can see the search volume on Amazon just to see, right? But not only that, what we can do now is we can find keywords that the competitor is not using. So now we have a list of keywords competitor is using. But let's just see if we have plushies. And what we're going to do is go to Tools, and we're going to go to Magnet. This is a keyword research tool. The first one is just doing a reverse analysis of what the competitors' keywords they're using. But we're going to look at different keywords for Walmart and see if they can come up with other ideas for our item, right? We know plushies is a good keyword, and we want to see what else are people typing in that's relevant to the keyword plushies on Walmart. And we can do it by either search volume or search trend score. Search trend score is really good. So stuffed animals, of course. Teddy bears, squishmallow, another good keyword for Walmart ads if you wanted to show up for this keyword. Hello Kitty plush, plushies. There's the Pokemon plush, stuffed animal, weighted stuffed animal. So this was actually a pretty good one. Now you have like a new idea if you wanted to sell something. This one's got a rank of 94, around 9,000 searches a month on Amazon, which probably is around close to that on Walmart. Plush toys, Stitch plush, toys for toddlers. Bugler, funny, ugly monster. I never heard of a lot of these things. But again, this is a great way to do product research because right now there's almost no tools on Walmart. And you can't just copy Amazon. You need to actually look at what Walmart customers are typing in, not what Amazon customers are typing in. And this is a great way. If you are selling a plushie, you can see what are the top competitor that's making $33,000 a month. What keywords are they using? Take what you need, run ads on the rest, and then also utilizing a tool Define other high volume search terms that's more related to your product that you can implement into your title, your keywords, and then your description, as well as the back end of your listing. And that's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. This is what will fully manage your inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.